The African savannah is home to one of the most iconic creatures on Earth, the lion. Known as the king of the jungle, lions are majestic animals with strong family bonds and remarkable social structures. Today, we explore their lives in their natural habitat, where every day brings a new story of survival, care, and connection. A lion pride is a close-knit family. Females, often related, stay together for life, caring for cubs and hunting cooperatively. Male lions, with their impressive manes, protect the pride and mark their territory. Watching them move together across the golden grasslands reveals a world of teamwork and subtle communication, from soft growls to tender nudges. Most of a lion's day is spent resting under the shade of trees, conserving energy for moments of activity. Cubs playfully explore their surroundings, learning essential skills for interaction with their siblings. Adults communicate with deep roars that echo across the plains, a sound both commanding and protective. Every gesture, every glance, tells a story of their bonds and instincts. Lions remind us of the beauty and complexity of wildlife. Observing them without interference allows us to appreciate their true nature, strong, graceful, and deeply connected to one another. In the vastness of the savannah, they remain symbols of courage, family, and the wild spirit of Africa.